Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, we're diving into Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange that's been making waves in the crypto community. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype, especially if you're someone who wants a safer, cleaner, and more beginner-friendly way to enter the crypto market. Gemini is designed to be a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. One thing that stands out is its regulatory compliance. It's one of the few exchanges that's fully licensed in the US. This adds a layer of trust for those cautious about security. In a space where scams, hacks, and unreliable platforms can be a real concern, having a regulated exchange can make new users feel more comfortable. For beginners, that trust factor can be just as important as the number of coins available. The interface is sleek and quite intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still offering features that seasoned traders might appreciate, like advanced charting tools. This means you can start with basic buying and selling, but still have room to explore more detailed market data as you gain confidence. However, while the platform covers all the basics, it feels somewhat limited when it comes to the number of cryptocurrencies available for trading compared to other exchanges. So if you're mainly interested in popular coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Gemini may work well. But if you're looking for smaller altcoins or newer crypto projects, you may find the selection a bit restrictive. There's also a notable absence of educational resources for new users, which could leave them feeling a bit lost. This matters because crypto can be confusing at first, especially when you're trying to understand wallets, fees, market volatility, and long-term investing. The mobile app is decent, but doesn't quite match the experience of the desktop version, which might frustrate users who prefer trading on the go. If you like managing your portfolio from your phone throughout the day, this is something to keep in mind before fully committing to the platform. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Gemini's strong regulatory standing and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for beginners. The security features are robust, which is crucial in the crypto space. Features like account protection, secure storage options, and a more compliance-focused approach can be reassuring for users who are nervous about keeping money on an exchange. For someone just starting out, Gemini feels more polished and less overwhelming than some platforms that are packed with too many tools from day one. However, the limited selection of cryptocurrencies might be a deal-breaker for more experienced traders looking to diversify their portfolios. If you're someone who likes exploring different crypto sectors, new tokens, or more speculative assets, Gemini may feel a bit too narrow. Pricing can also be a bit steep. Fees for trading can add up quickly, especially for smaller transactions, which may deter casual traders. This is important because even small fees can affect your returns over time, especially if you're making frequent trades or investing smaller amounts. Plus, the lack of comprehensive educational materials means that anyone new to crypto might struggle to make informed decisions. A beginner may understand how to buy a coin, but still not fully understand when to buy, how much risk to take, or how to protect their account properly. Overall, Gemini seems to cater well to beginners, but may leave advanced users wanting more. It feels like a platform built around trust, simplicity, and security, rather than maximum coin variety or the lowest possible trading costs. In conclusion, Gemini is worth considering if you're new to cryptocurrency and value security and ease of use. It can be a good starting point if you want a clean platform for buying major cryptocurrencies without feeling overwhelmed. However, if you are an experienced trader looking for a wider variety of coins and lower fees, you might want to explore other exchanges. Overall, it's a trustworthy platform, but not without its limitations. As always, compare fees, check which coins are supported in your region, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.